Hi there! In this Canva tutorial, I'll show you how to edit text and images using a cool feature called grab text. Let's use this image as an example. Simply click the image and go to Edit. Choose the grab text tool. And Canva will recognize the text in the image. Then you can easily replace the text with your own words. Adjust the size, font, and color to customize it to your liking. Experiment with different fonts and make the text fit perfectly into the image. You can also delete text. That's how you can edit and replace text and images using Canva's text grabber feature. Thanks for watching.